In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Google Docs. Underlining is a simple way to emphasize keywords, headings, or important sections in your document, and there are 3 quick ways to do it. I'll walk you through each method, along with a few helpful tips so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, let's talk about the fastest option, the keyboard shortcut. Start by selecting the text you want to underline. You can click and drag to highlight it, double-click to select a single word, or triple-click to select a whole paragraph. On Windows, press Ctrl+U. On a Mac, press Command+U. Your selection will instantly gain an underline. This shortcut also works as a toggle, which means pressing it again on the same selection will remove the underline. If you want to start typing with underlining already on, press the shortcut first, type your text, and then press it again to turn underlining off. If you prefer using on-screen controls, the toolbar method is just as straightforward. Highlight the text you want to underline, then look near the top of Google Docs for the formatting icons. You'll see a U with an underline next to the bold B and italic I. Click that underlined U, and your highlighted text will be underlined. Click it again to remove the underline. If your window is narrow and you don't see the icon right away, you may need to expand the window or look for additional icons that are tucked into the toolbar overflow. The third way is through the menu, which is handy if you like following a clear path or if your toolbar isn't visible. Select your text, go to the top menu, click Format, then hover over text, and choose Underline. Just like the other methods, selecting Underline again will remove it. This menu path is consistent across Windows, Mac, and in most browsers, making it a reliable option when you're working on different devices. A couple of quick tips as you work. Links in Google Docs appear underlined by default, so if you underline linked text, the emphasis may blend in. Use underlining thoughtfully to keep your document clean and readable. And remember, all 3 methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels quickest and most comfortable for you. That's it. 3 easy ways to underline in Google Docs using a keyboard shortcut, the toolbar, or the format menu. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.